Imagine this, your home cleans itself every single day, spotless floors, zero effort, and all you need to do is tap your phone screen. Sounds too good to be true? Well, think again. Robot vacuums have evolved way beyond simple sweeping machines. Today, they're fully automated powerhouses that mop, scrub, and even think for themselves. But let's be honest, not all robots are created equal. If you pick the wrong one, you'll waste time untangling hair, manually cleaning filters, or watching your robot endlessly bump into furniture. That's why we've done the heavy lifting for you, testing and narrowing it down to the 6 absolute best robot vacuums you can buy right now. Whether you're dealing with stubborn pet hair, need the best edge cleaning for tight corners, or want a device so advanced that it practically manages itself, we've got something here that's perfect for your home. Trust me, after seeing these models in action, you'll wonder how you ever lived without one. Ready to find out which robot vacuum will finally give you your time back? Let's dive straight into it. Number 6. Shark AV2800 ZE, the edge cleaning expert. Let's kick off the list with something truly innovative. Have you ever noticed how robot vacuums tend to leave dirt lingering along the edges of your room? Shark has solved this frustrating problem with their groundbreaking AV2800 ZE model. Its unique edge detect technology blasts precise jets of air into corners and along walls, pushing hidden debris directly into its powerful suction path. No crumbs left behind. But that's not all. This robot can actually lift itself over obstacles, like thick rugs or thresholds, thanks to Shark's clever never-stuck technology. It even raises its built-in mop to keep your carpets dry and spotless. Plus, with advanced dirt detection sensors, it knows exactly where to spend extra cleaning time. If your home has tricky spots, tight corners, and plenty of obstacles, the Shark AV2800 ZE might just be your new best friend. Number 5. Narwal Freo X Ultra, the king of low maintenance. If you're the type who prefers to set it and forget it, meet your new favorite housekeeper, the Narwal Freo X Ultra. This robot isn't just smart, it practically takes care of itself. Thanks to its maintenance-free docking station, you'll never have to manually wash or dry mop pads again. It handles everything, including compressing dust into a disposable bag that holds up to 7 weeks of dirt. With an impressive 8,200 Pascal suction power and a zero-tangle floating brush, it effortlessly grabs pet hair and stubborn debris without getting jammed. And thanks to its advanced tri-laser obstacle detection, it smoothly navigates around furniture, cables, and stray toys, meaning fewer interruptions and a cleaner home with zero hassle. But maybe you're looking for something even smarter and more budget-friendly? Well, check out what's coming next. Number 4. UeeX X10 Pro Omni, the best bang for your buck robot. Just because you're looking for value doesn't mean you need to sacrifice cutting-edge technology. Enter the UeeX X10 Pro Omni, offering premium features typically found on much pricier models. With a massive 8,000 Pascal suction power, this vacuum handles daily messes, hidden dirt, and pet hair like a champ. Its sleek all-in-one station cleans and dries mop pads automatically using hot air, while a generous dust bag means you can avoid emptying the bin for up to 2 full months. Plus, UeeX's clever AI smart cleaning system identifies over 100 objects in your home. Shoes, cords, even socks, helping it glide seamlessly around your home without getting stuck. Affordable, powerful, and intelligent, it's almost too good to pass up. But what if you've got pets that shed enough hair to build another pet? You'll want to see this next pick. Number 3. Dreame X40 Ultra, the ultimate robot for pet owners. Got pets? Then you already know regular vacuums struggle to keep up. That's exactly why Dreame built the X40 Ultra. Boasting a whopping 12,000 Pascal suction, it's the most powerful robot vacuum on our list, and ideal for pet-heavy homes. Say goodbye to stubborn pet hair and hello to consistently spotless floors. Its 3D structured light navigation system precisely maps your home and identifies obstacles in real time, preventing the robot from bumping into furniture or dragging messes around. There's even an extendable side brush for snagging pet hair hiding in corners and around furniture legs, making sure no fluff or fur is left behind. If pets run your home, the Dreame X40 Ultra could be your new secret weapon. But maybe you prefer something a little more iconic from a brand you already know and trust. Let's move to our next star. Number 2. iRobot Roomba Combo J10 Max. Iconic convenience, unmatched simplicity. You knew this name was coming. Roomba, but this isn't your average Roomba. The Combo J10 Max blends vacuuming and mopping into one seamless experience. Its signature smart scrub technology mimics the precise back and forth motion you'd use yourself, effortlessly breaking down stubborn stains and dried-on messes. The Roomba Combo empties its dustbin, washes its mop pad, and dries everything automatically at its dock, meaning no messy mop maintenance for you. Its 4-stage cleaning system, precision navigation, and dual rubber brushes effectively tackle carpets, hard floors, and pet hair alike. Reliable, intuitive, and ready to clean, all by itself. But now it's time to meet the absolute king of smart home cleaning, the #1 pick on our list. Number 1, Roborock S8 MaxV Ultra, the ultimate robot vacuum, period. Here's the gold standard, the Roborock S8 MaxV Ultra. When it comes to complete automation, Roborock reigns supreme. Imagine a vacuum so advanced it washes its own mop pads with hot water and detergent, then dries them, leaving no trace of odors or residue. Its powerful 10,000 Pascal suction, paired with the VibraRise 3.0 system, means carpets are vacuumed thoroughly without getting damp, and the mop lifts automatically to prevent any moisture damage. Its intelligent dirt detection adjusts the cleaning intensity based on how messy each spot is, giving your floors exactly the attention they need. And that's not all. Its unique flexi-arm design effortlessly reaches dirt hidden deep under furniture or along edges that most robots miss. For those who want a truly hands-free cleaning experience, this is the robot vacuum you've been waiting for. Now, the real question is, which one of these high-tech helpers could you trust with your floors? Are you looking to tackle pet hair, save money, or simply avoid ever touching a mop again? Let us know your favorite pick in the comments below. And don't forget, if you enjoyed this guide, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our upcoming smart home tech videos. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.